Release number one. The attachment that you're going to want to use is the fork attachment. And orient the attachment so that it's vertical. Turn it on to a speed of 1, maybe 2 at the most. Locate your ankle bone, and if you drew a straight line up to your knee, right here, you'll feel another bone right here. That's the same bone, that's the fibula. The fibularis muscle lives right along here, both muscles, and then the tendons wrap just underneath behind the ankle down into the foot. Flexor hallucis longus goes on to the other side of the foot and then down through the arch here. So the only really way to reach flexor hallucis longus is kind of from this side. So for this release, we're going to put the fork attachment here in between that bone. And then you're just going to run slowly down the leg like so until you reach just there. And you can see how it's bouncing. Now it's kind of hitting bone in that area. That's not very comfortable, so I don't recommend you doing it. So go down just to that point and then back up. And what you can do is you can kind of just hang out at a spot here, hang out at a spot here. And I'm on a speed of 1. I can actually turn it up to get a speed of 2. That feels a little bit better. It feels like it's getting a little bit deeper in the musculature. I'm also angling. Notice that I'm angling. I'm changing the angle of the gun so that I'm getting behind here a little bit more. I can just dig in just a little bit, and that reaches that fibularis longus and brevis muscle. So you can also find, let's see if I can find a spot. Yeah, right about there. It's a little bit sensitive, and I'm just going to hang out here for about a minute or so. And I have a light pressure going into the back of my leg with this fork attachment. And then I can go up here and keep going up. Again, you don't really want to see now how it's starting to balance. There's a bone right there that I'm hitting. So you don't really want that bounce. So that's release number one.